Hello again and welcome to another vocabulary practice video. Let's learn some new nouns and adjectives. First of all, let's make the distinction between the words ancestor and descendant. Someone who is related to you and lived a long time ago is your ancestor. Or, more generally speaking, an ancestor is an earlier form from which something modern has developed. Let's look at dinosaurs and birds as an example. Dinosaurs are the ancestors of birds. And when we look at this relationship the other way around, we can say that birds are the descendants of dinosaurs. Descendant, in other words, is this modern development of an earlier form, as mentioned previously. Reptile, a type of cold-blooded animal whose body is covered in scales. Scales are flat, hard pieces of skin, and these are some examples of reptiles. Insect, a small animal that has 6 legs and often has wings. These are some of the many different types of insects that exist in our world. Mammal, an animal that is born from its mother's body, not from an egg, and it drinks its mother's milk as a baby. Dogs, cows, and humans are examples of mammals. Feature, an important part or aspect of something. We can say, for example, that each species has its own distinctive features. Distinctive features may relate to the bone structure or even the muscles of some species. Structure, the way in which something is built or the way that the parts of something are organized or arranged into a whole. For example, we can say that giraffes have very impressive bone structure. And bones are supported by muscles. Muscle, a piece of flesh that connects one bone to another and is used for moving a particular part of a body. For example, this long neck needs some strong muscles to support the head of the giraffe, so as to allow it to eat the leaves that are on very tall trees. Feather. A feather is one of the narrow tubes with thin soft hairs on its side that covers a bird's body. And if anyone tells you that what you just did is a feather in your cap, then be happy about it. This means that this is an achievement that you can feel pleased and satisfied about. Capability. Capability is the ability to do something. For example, these are some animals that have the capability to reach speeds of 70 or 80 miles per hour. So we can say that these animals are skilled runners. Skilled means having the ability and experience to do something well. And of course, the most amazing capability of many animals and plants is their ability to change and make themselves especially suitable for living in a particular environment. For example, we can talk about the remarkable adaptation of the camel to the desert. Adaptation is its ability to change and make itself suitable for living in a desert. Time for you to repeat. Ancestor, ancestor. Descendant, descendant. Reptile, reptile. Scales, scales. Insect, insect. Mammal, mammal. Feature, feature. Bone structure, bone structure. Muscle, muscle. Feather, feather. Capability, capability. See you next time. Thanks for watching.